Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and we are starting our 3-part video series on how to batch to get stuff done. So in my business, I work 20 to 25 hours a week now. I really cut back on my hours, and my business has grown. So this works. I'm really excited to share with you one of my biggest secrets, which is batching. And listen up, because what you're going to learn in this 3-part video series is going to change your life. Like, this is going to make you so much more productive and get ish done. And after I shared some of these tips with one of my students inside the Impact Blocking Academy, she said, I used to wonder why bigger people in the online space talked about passive income when they were on every social media platform all day. It seemed like a ton of work to me. I'm starting to definitely see how it's possible to be present without putting in tremendous effort, and it's exciting. Batching, scheduling, planning has been a major help for me and given me tons of confidence to keep going. So yes, it works. So let's talk first. What is batching? Why should you do it? Essentially, it's just creating a lot of content at one time. It's going to save you so much time, and you're going to be so much more productive. So here's a really simple way for you to think about it. If you love brownies, who doesn't? And you want to have a brownie every night after dinner, let's say, wouldn't it be so much easier and faster and more effective to just make one batch on Monday, and then you can have a brownie every day for the rest of the week, instead of creating, actually going in and making one brownie per day? That's exactly what we're going to do. So what you're going to do when you're batching your content is you're spending a little bit more time on one task that day, but then you get that task is done for 1 week, 2 weeks. You could do like a month of batching at a time or more. Okay, so here is how it is done. First, what I want you to do is open up like a Google Doc or a Word document, whatever it is that you want to do, and just brainstorm all your content ideas. And this is where I'll collect quotes or write down questions that I get asked, topics that I want to cover, and try to get down 20 to 30 different ideas. And do this at a time when you feel the most creative. So for me, this might be like in the morning after I do my morning routine, I've read some books, and I'm in a really creative space. Then what you're going to do is open up Canva. Canva, C-A-N-V-A. We use this to create all our images. It's so easy. I'm not a graphic designer. Even I can do it, okay? So open up Canva and make an image that corresponds to that topic. So it could just have a little bit of text on it, and then hit duplicate and make 25 images for each of your topics. Okay. Next, what you're going to do is upload all of those images into some kind of a scheduling program. So we use Planoly for Instagram and MeetEdgar for Facebook. We used to use Buffer for Facebook and Twitter and all those places. So it's up to you on what you want to use. MeetEdgar is a little bit more expensive, but it recycles context. Good thing. And then you can schedule it out. Bonus step for you is to do kind of what I'm doing here, is to actually record video about that content too. So you could sit down. What I do is I sit down with that content, I open up Zoom, and I hit record, I do a video, hit stop, hit record, do a video, hit stop, and I do at least 10 at a time. And that's 2 weeks worth of content for YouTube, for Instagram TV, for our Alexa skill. It's all over the place. Okay, so are you starting to see how this can save you so much time? Okay, so that is it for today. Make sure to head to shesmakinganimpact.com. I got lots of freebies there to help you build your business, and I'll see you in part 2.